What is up, everybody? Autotech Aaron here, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video. So my friends over at JEGS sent us a 2-in-1 creeper. We're going to go ahead, get this thing unboxed, and show you guys all of its features. I'm pretty excited about this since I don't have a stool that I can roll around on here in the shop. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. All right. First impression. Some assembly required, but obviously nothing we can't handle. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. Dang, look at that. It's nice, compact. Looks like it'll roll really well. So let's go ahead and get this thing assembled. Are these instructions? Oh, whoa, it's got a low position and a high position. So we got the casters here. It's pretty straightforward looking. They just go in those holes like that. And then we have some nuts in here that we will go ahead and put on, and this thing's assembled. It literally is going to take me like a minute to put this together. There's one. Time me, guys. That only took like a couple of seconds. We're going for a speed record here. There's two. Number 3 is installed. Now let's go for number 4. Okay, she's ready for sitting. Okay, here we go, here we go. Whoa, look at that. It rolls nicely. This thing actually seems to be pretty high quality. The leather material, and I say leather because it's probably pleather, but this stuff actually seems like it's gonna be pretty tough. Now, let's see if my pea brain can figure out how to unfold this thing. So we pull that. Oh, okay. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Something fell down. And oh my gosh, look at that. Yes, sir. Oh, now we are cruising in style. I tell you what. Now, can you creep under a car with this? No. But can you sit comfortably and work on your car in this? Absolutely. I am really excited to use this thing, and you guys are definitely going to be seeing it in a lot of videos. Huge thanks to JEGS for sending this thing out. I'm very excited to get the full use out of this thing. And if you guys want to check out this creeper or anything else that JEGS has to offer, be sure to check out jegs.com.